what's up guys, we are back with another YouTube video and today is my birthday. So yeah, and today we're going to be unboxing this GoPro Hero 7 that I got for my birthday. And yeah, so let's get right into the unboxing. So basically you guys, I got this for my birthday and it's pretty good. I'm gonna make some good YouTube videos with this GoPro. And also, just to note, there's a turtle right there. So yeah, it was meant for me. Really nice birthday present. Alright, let's get this sleeve off. It's not going too well. Whoa! This is cool. Whoa, man. This is important safety instructions. Dooch and upper. Ooh, GoPro stickers. This is gonna be good. Plus. Wow. Instructions. I guess it's just the cover. This is the GoPro. Whoa. Come on, get it out. Yeah, it's a pretty nice GoPro. This is always fun to do. Satisfying. Let's do it on the camera. Whoa. This is my favorite thing to do. I would just buy these GoPros to like take off this. I would want to work at an Apple store so I could just take them all off. Keep the GoPro here. And let's open this. Some mounts. These ones are stickers. So you can stick it and mount it anywhere you want. And this is the case. Pretty cool case. A lot of different attachments we got here. Ooh, charging cable, I'm sure, maybe, I don't know. Ooh, micro SD card, I think. Oh no, battery. Yeah, it's the battery. I wonder if it comes with 2 batteries, that'd be nice. So you could charge one while using. Ooh, this is the head strap, so you could just strap it on your head. And then the micro SD, SanDisk. SanDisk Extreme. Oh man. SanDisk. And then this thing. We'll find out what all of this is later. Is there anything else? Yep, the handle. The handle is important. So this will be cool. So I'm going to be using this now. So we'll cut to the GoPro footage. So basically, it was my birthday, and for my birthday, we went to Great Wolf Lodge. So here's the footage I got on my GoPro at Great Wolf Lodge.
And so we are with my sister, like a baby cam. Wow.
Bye.